Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Gurukul. Today we'll be talking about Pytest, Assert, Magic. We will be going through how to use assert statement and then what is the assert rewriting. And then we'll be talking about few common thing. One is angular bracket and then the E. Let's get rolling. So if you have used unit testing in any programming language, you would have remembered lots of keywords. In case of unit test, we have been using assert true, false, equal, not equal, none, not none, less than. So these are the keyword we need to remember and then we need to know how to use them, where we are passing the inputs and what the message we are giving. But with the PyTest, we don't have to worry about remembering the different keywords. If we are doing the assert, just remember assert and then the expression. We can write any assert which we have used in any other programming language in PyTest by just saying assert and then expression. Something, not something, equal to, not equal to, none, not none, less than, greater than, equal to, anything we can combine with just one keyword. So that's the beauty of it. And that's how it is getting popularity. Let's talk about assert rewriting, which is happening behind the scene. So Pytest intercept assert call and replaces them with something that can tell us more about why insertion failed. In this particular test case, we have got two book objects B1 and B2, and clearly we can see that these are two different objects with two different data. So while doing the assert is going to fail. So it should have been in any other programming language, assert not true, something like that. But with the PyTest, we don't have to worry about that. Assert and write our own expression. Assert rewriting happen behind the scene and that takes care of converting and giving us proper messages. If we run this particular test case, we know test case is going to be failed, and when it fails, it will give lots of information. That's what we need. So assert rewriting is taking care of converting this one to proper assert messages, and that's how we are getting lots of helpful messages for triage purposes. The next thing we want to talk today is the angular bracket. So when we have lots of test cases and lots of output we get, we want to find out which was the exact assert statement failed. We have to just look for this angular bracket. It indicates that this was the particular line where our assertion failed. And the next and very important thing is the E. E gives that these are the lines which have extra information about the assert fail and it helps us for the triage. Okay, so this is the test case we were talking about. In this particular test case, we can see that we have two different data. So of course, will be two different objects. And while comparing this test case, it is going to fail. So let's go back to the command line. So from the test book, we are just looking for test inequality and we'll call this particular test case. And then we see that, yes, as we expected, test cases fail. But from here, we want to find out lots of good information. We can see that assert rewriting helped. We are getting lots of information. Angular bracket showcasing that this was the line where we had the problem. And then E is just showing these are the lines which are just showcasing that uh, extra information for triage purposes. So that's all I had for today. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.